Struggling to keep up with endless blog posts, social media updates, or marketing campaigns? In 2025, AI custom content creation agencies are transforming how brands connect, grow, and compete. Agency team using AI tools, collaborating on laptops. Imagine instantly generating search-optimized blog articles, catchy social posts, detailed scripts, and killer marketing collateral, all uniquely tailored to your brand voice. AI content agencies blend powerful automation and human creativity for unbeatable speed, cost efficiency, and consistency. Here's how it works. Step 1. The agency learns your goals, products, and brand identity. Step 2. Advanced AI tools like OpenAI, Jasper, Copy.ai develop targeted content. SEO blogs, LinkedIn posts, YouTube scripts, email campaigns, white papers, and more.